Hey guys, just gonna show you how I made these little teddy bear centerpieces. You wanna start with a dowel and a piece of wood. Gonna put lots and lots of glue in there, kind of put the dowel in and hold it steady until it dries. We're gonna use our dry floral foam that we used our dowel to poke a hole in and just slide it right on down. Just like that. Next, we're gonna grab our pre-cut florals. You can use any color you like, and we're just gonna start adding them in, trying to cover as much as we can. We wanna make sure that we get around the front and cover the bottom of the wood. And we're just gonna keep piling them in. I'm adding a little bit of blue here. Not sure what this color combinations are gonna come out looking like, but we're gonna see. Let's add our teddy bear with a zip tie around the neck. I'm gonna add a cute little blue ribbon here. Just cut them, make them look super cute. And then we'll slide him right down after we're done to sit right on top of those flowers. There you go. Now we're gonna do our balloons. We're double stuffing the blue into that kind of ivory looking color just to give it a little different shade. This is our blue, so you see the shade of blue comes out to a little bit lighter color, kind of what we were looking for there. This is our balloon pump. We're gonna blow up the bigger balloons, and let me tell you something about this foot pedal. Amazing. So we're gonna start blowing up our larger balloons. Remember to make them round, not pear. We're gonna put our quad together, lay that to the side. We're gonna blow the rest of our balloons up now. Same deal with the other colors. And usually about 12 balloons is good for the look that we're going for. Now we're gonna put our quads together. And just twist them into each other. Twisting, twisting. And you should have a little ball, something like this. Now we're gonna put together our small balloons. Just gonna use a 260 to tie them together. You can use rubber bands, whatever works for you. And there you have it. Now we're gonna insert our smaller balloons, our 5-inch balloons, into the bigger balloons, and just kind of sit them wherever it looks right for you. You may have to play with it a little bit to get it in the right spot. And there you have it. So we're gonna add the balloons now to our centerpiece. We're gonna put our little balloon condom on. That's what I call it, don't judge. And then we're gonna add our balloons to the top. Slide it right on in. And then just adjust it to the way you like for it to look. I think that works. A little more adjusting. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.